Hello and welcome to another video on the CRF450L. Today I took my bike to the dyno shop to have them do a dyno and see what kind of horsepower and torque mine made compared to other dyno sheets I've seen on the internet so far. I do live in Florida, so pretty much I am at sea level. I just video recorded him doing a little bit of a setup. He did some pulls, a couple dyno runs, and then at the end he did a second gear through 6 gear top speed for each gear pull. Definitely the 6 gear is limited via the revs and not the wheel speed. The first dyno sheet at the end will show the speed through the gears and the horsepower through the gears, and then the last dyno sheet shows 4th gear pull, torque and horsepower. Thanks for watching the video, and hopefully I'll have some other good stuff out soon. Peace.